Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set up a data export from Toast to get your orders on a schedule and send that data somewhere else. So, you're getting orders from people dining in your restaurant, from people ordering takeout, from people ordering web orders, and maybe you need to send that data somewhere. Maybe you want to look at the data over the last month or the last day, or every time an order is made, you want to send that information somewhere to be fulfilled. Maybe if you got to ship something. Maybe you want to add email addresses to MailChimp or somewhere else. There's just a lot of possibilities to use that Toast data, and you can connect it to a ton of different apps using EasyCSV. So let's set up our first flow. First, you're going to sign up at EasyCSV. You're going to land here, and you're going to say, where's the data coming from? We're going to say the data is coming from Toast. And so then we're going to connect our Toast account. You're going to land here. You're going to need to go get a client ID and client secret. Just click on this link here, and you'll end up over at Toast. You're going to click this arrow, click Standard API. You're going to be able to see, follow the steps, give access to orders. Then you'll copy the client ID and client secret. That's basically telling EasyCSV and Toast, like, hey, I have a Toast account. Here's the secret info so you can talk to each other. Then you're going to name this. You can just name it your brand or your restaurant group or something like that. You don't need to name it an individual location of a restaurant because you'll select that in the next step. So if you enter that info, click save. You'll do that again, and you'll end up here on this step. You'll click Toast again. Then you'll land on this page, and you'll be able to see a restaurant drop down. You're going to make EasyCSV flow per restaurant. So if you have a ton of restaurants, we have bulk pricing, so just reach out to EasyCSV support. We get back to everybody via chat or email. You'll select the restaurant that you want this data from. So anytime a new order is made here at Sesame Street, I want to send that data somewhere else. Or maybe, every 24 hours, I want to get all the order data for the last day or even week, and then I want to send that somewhere. So, you can send it to Google Sheets or Airtable, or you can send it as a file to an email or FTP, Dropbox, or Drive, or you can send to MailChimp or a database or something like that, or another API. Like, let's say every time an order is made online, I need to ship something, so I need to send that data to ShipStation. You can do any data API. If you have some sort of application that you need help connecting to, just reach out to EasyCSV support, and we help people connect to their apps all the time. Okay, cool. So we're going to go to Google Sheets. So every time a new order is made, I want that order information sent into a Google Sheet. So I have a long running, basically, spreadsheet with all my order information from Toast, so I can kind of slice and dice that data the way I want. Once I click Google Sheets, I'll land here. This is the flow. It's been created, the data flow. It's not on, it's off by default, so you can test before turning it on. You can force fetch the most recent order here. You can also edit here, and you can fetch an order by Toast ID. So if you want to test using a specific ID, you can go here, and you can say fetch order by name and put in the Toast ID. So then when you're ready to turn on eventually, just click here, then click edit, and then you can turn on at the bottom of the settings and save. So we get that new order data. Here's all the fields we can get from Toast that you can use. This is filtering, so you can filter out data you don't want. Maybe you only want orders for a certain menu selection. Like maybe they're just web orders, or maybe you want to be alerted every time someone orders the special or something like that. I mean, most people just want all the order data. And then virtual fields, please watch our how-to videos on this. This is to like combine or transform data from Toast or add stuff. So maybe you need to add, you're going to some other application where you need to put in a special ID that's not coming from Toast, but it, so you can add that in here. And then the destination's at the bottom. In this case, we're going to Google Sheets. We've mapped the fields from Toast to the columns I have in my Google Sheet. And if I was to force fetch the most recent order, it would grab that order, process in the middle here, and send that data to Google Sheets. That's really it. I mean, you can have the data emailed places, all that. So if you need any help, you can click here to chat with us. We get back to everybody if we don't respond right away. You can also email support@easycsv.io and let us know how it goes. Thanks.